Hello all, my idea is to create a laundry folding machine. As you can see, I have a lot of laundry and it needs to be folded every week. I have tons of clothes that need to be neatly folded and it takes about an hour. There are already folding devices in the market that people have proposed and demoed in CES, but they're expensive and they're not yet in the market. The closest one, they say that it may come out in late 2019, so that's still 2 years of development that we potentially are able to do and come out at the same time or even before and capture the market, or if we can come up with a better one, then we're right in the publicity area, because these days that's the next area of innovation in terms of home gadgets.